New York Giants defensive end Osi Umenyiora is one of a growing list of NFL players from Nigeria or born elsewhere to Nigerian parents. One of the best players in the NFL this decade, he grew up in London, moved to Nigeria at age 7, then to the U.S. at age 14. Umenyiora thinks the NFL should keep a closer eye on American college players with Nigerian roots. He played college football at Troy University in Alabama.
The list is ridiculous. If I could name at least 12 to 13 people who I know of personally of Nigerian descent in the NFL right now.
Defensive end Brian Orakpo of the Washington Redskins is in his rookie season. The budding NFL star was born to Nigerian parents in Houston, Texas, and grew up there. He later excelled on the football field at the University of Texas. Orakpo takes enormous pride in belonging to a Nigerian fraternity in the NFL.
There's some type of kinship that you have, a brother you have between each other, because we have this coming from the same background, the same family tradition, and everything that goes around that. So that's how everybody reach out to each other and sort of like create that like brotherhood, you know, that we have to, you know, stick together and just have a little fun with it while we're in the NFL.
Umenyiora and Orakpo say Nigerians are physically well suited for the NFL, particularly on defense, where speed, agility, power, and size are needed at multiple positions. Impact players on defense include lineman Amobi Okoye of the Houston Texans, Victor Abiamiri of the Philadelphia Eagles, and cornerback Nnamdi Asumwa and linebacker Isaiah Ekajuba of the Oakland Raiders. Umenyiora says the best athletes in the world are from Nigeria, where soccer is the national sport and basketball and sprinting are very popular, but where American football hasn't caught on.
The type of wins don't matter.
Orakpo says the athletic talent of Nigerians, as he put it, is likely in the genes.
We have a lot of, you know, explosiveness about us. So I see us at defensive end and some other positions that really have to use your athleticism and your explosiveness all the time to really be a great football player. We always have the same physique to get bigger and faster and stuff and really help our game to be a great player.
Redskins coach Jim Zorn on why Nigeria is the source of much NFL talent.
I think those families are bringing up strong men, and strong men play football.
In recent years, a foundation run by Nigerian-born Amobi Okoye of the Texans has organized trips to Nigeria for fellow NFL players. This year's trip, videotaped by the NFL Network, included Okoye and defensive lineman Israel Idonije, Adewale Agunleye, and Tommy Harris of the Chicago Bears. While there, players embraced the African culture, taught American football to kids who know little about the game, and distributed college scholarships and medical supplies. Umenyiora is a partner in Okoye's foundation and says such visits send a message of hope to Nigerians.
A lot of Africans in general, you know, once they're born into poverty or they're born into desolate situations, they don't really have an opportunity to pull themselves out of it. So the more people who have pulled themselves out of it can come back and give back and try to help those people, I think the better off the country is going to be.
The first Nigerian star in the NFL, running back Christian Okoye, played for the Kansas City Chiefs from 1985 to 1990. He laid the groundwork for a long line of NFL talent from a country an ocean apart from where the game is played. Mike Richmond, VOA News, Washington.